After understanding about Revit as a tool, let us have a look at the software or the user interface of the tool, right? So this is what the default page as it opens in Revit. So here you can see all the recent files you must be working on. All these files will be populated here. And on the left side, you have options to open models and families, right? So as you can open the model within your system or drive, or you can create a new Revit model. So create, once you try to create a new model, this is what you will get. It is asking to select a template, right? So there are four default options here: construction template, architectural template, structural template, and mechanical template. So what are these templates actually? Once you select any of these templates, the related settings, units, families will be loaded into your model, right? So if I load architectural template and say OK, the settings and the families related to the architectural model preparation will be loaded into my model. You can see the default selection units as feet and inches when you start creating a architectural model. Anyway, those units can be changed, but the default will be loaded into your model. Yes, you can see the inches and feet, right? So this is how you can start creating a model by selecting particular template.